Only attack on me. But Jayden Chase, they have to make the fans them know what really are going.
What you talking about? Is Jayden place? See me up to the time, you know, a cartel. I represent for Jayden Chase. We spray them face when the AK raise. See me up to the time, you know, the Gaza station.
Yeah, man, now move settings, viewers and subscribers. And we no need no ladder. Gaza Nation, wanna find the Gaza station. Welcome to the channel, Jayden Chase. And yes, we are bringing on another new and yes, exciting reasoning on the topic of dancehall and entertainment. Remember, man, I remind you now for click the subscribe icon, then the bell icon, and also leave a like, a comment, and yes, bust a share on the vlog in truth. Now, viewers and subscribers, Vybz Kartel has done it again. Big up Papi, you know what I mean, the fixed tape drop, and that's the official title. Yes, the teacher said it's not a mixtape, it's the official fixed tape, the most talked about intro for the decade right now, for a fixed tape. With as also we not call him fixed tape no more. Meek Mill's viewers and subscribers as an international artist of a big, you know what I mean, I represent for Popcaan, as a youth forward on the ground. You know what I mean? Link up with Papi. The connection is real. He not just do it just because he's a fan of dancehall music and he don't know the artist. Yes, he is a fan of dancehall music, but he know Popcaan in person. Surprise, or we not see a feature on the fixed tape, but we don't know. You know what I mean? Maybe further on we'll see a feature. The Vybz Kartel and Meek Mill's feature is also a talked about feature. Further on, we'll see what go on with that. Definitely a good look though to see international representation for a dancehall music. That's why we couldn't agree with Vado. With him decide to go at Drake. And I say, yo, Drake want to be a yard man and Drake want to Ray. You know what I mean? We couldn't support Vado and that move, an entire diss track towards Drake. No, Drake say him stop link with Vado. And coincidentally, we can point out this. Drake and Pusha T go at it. Before Popcaan the link with Drake in the link with Pusha T. Drake and Mov got it. Before Mov and Drake that got it. And Mov and Drake did a link. You know what I mean? I just music. I just music, viewers and subscribers. You know there's something about right now. Officially, unruly of you know that something got a contractual link that. And I just, you know what I mean? Them link up another music. Business. So at the end of the day, this I get some international push. Definitely a good look. And Vybz Kartel definitely bless up the fixed tape. The intro there. People are talking about the feature. But this is just the simple intro. It shows a certain level of, you know what I mean? Unity where people are called for a dancehall music. But as the teacher say, Gaza Nation now beg no friend. You know there's something go. You have people where with the link with and just like what Drake said, we burn them bridges like grabber, we not link back. But with Popcaan and Vybz Kartel, it's a different situation. And Vybz Kartel show them say, watch you know, always the bigger man. Always. And he must say, watch you know, time heals all. And him and Popcaan, good. And we glad to see that as a youth way. We know say Vybz Kartel definitely are the first artist we believe in him career. Vybz Kartel I do it again. Definitely I do it again. Yo, the album out in it. Make sure so now stream the album. New singles out and we have even more singles yet to be released. Tracks were mixed and mastered. How does I say alright? We are giving them that one day. The dancehall go on, will a vibe and will a joy. Remember summer same way. You know what I mean? At the ending of summer, but I still that vibe. The country are open up and you know, more events are now being held with certain restrictions, same way, but more events are now being held officially. So it's definitely a good look. So certain songs can drop now. Especially songs for the ladies will a joy and will a vibe. The teacher drop one out. Best touch ever. Go and check it out. You know what I mean? Definitely a good look, viewers and subscribers for dancehall music in this day and age. To see the whole unity and the support for dancehall music internationally. Features with international artists definitely showcase that dancehall music and dancehall artists are now ready for that international crowd. Because long gone are the thoughts that, what you know, there's only a small demographic, of people internationally who would appreciate or like dancehall music. While them never even test the theory, them just say that and people work with it. These independent artists have proven that theory to be wrong, inconclusive. Those results, I don't know if at one point in time I saw it they go become, I say Shabba them go over there go do it, just to name a few, Supercat, you know what I mean? We see if we were going with Pliers and, you know what I mean? Enough artists go over there to show them said that was not the case. But the strength and the support for dancehall music was just not there. People would sample the sounds, people would link up with the producers, people would forward for the features. But that push was not there. In this day and age, we are still that push there. You know what I mean? And we appreciate that. So to some artists, we are trying to stop that just because the international crowd is not showing them any support. All of a sudden, them want to say, we should shun the support of the international crowd. We're not going to do it. We refuse to do that. And we refuse to make young artists feel like, say, yo, this is the way to go. Because you have some people that say, oh, we're not going to sell out the culture. This has nothing to do with selling out your culture. It is your artistic preference. Do you think Bardo is a better artist than even Popcaan? No. Do you think he's a better artist than Drake? No. By Drake showing his appreciation for dancehall music, is Drake trying to be a yard man? Drake now seeks citizenship to Jamaica. We have not heard any news of that. But we know Mov seeks citizenship for North America. Him sound like him a try to be a Yankee. Because someone appreciates our culture, viewers and subscribers, we can't say, yo, them a culture vulture, them a try to take our culture. And nothing like that. Them like dancehall music and them incorporate dancehall music in a them music. Nothing wrong with that. Do you know that on the reggae charts, we have more international reggae artists than local reggae artists? Well, young or current reggae artists. You have some established names. You know what I mean? Them can't get out Bob them can't get out Toots them. You know what I mean? You have some name where those hits are classic hits in our reggae music. Classic hits. You know what I mean? Big up these artists and those producers. Now, international albums for reggae drop more than how you have local reggae albums that drop. Just food for thought, something one to think about, while other people try to follow the ears of some other things. We don't have to fall upon the platform and cuss. We have facts. All we can do is present the facts, point them out, and we don't need to do nothing more. Because we have that. It's when you have the facts, you don't have to fabricate. Some people like to say, what you know, this and that and Ray and... No. Look, you can go Google these things. These are things that you can research. You know the reasoning go. Somebody tell you something, you're interested, you check it out. And when we check the reasoning, check the statistics, we realize, say, what you know? Facts are the facts. You know? And in this day and age, the style of music that Vybz Kartel say, what you know? All members of the Popcaan Empire, later on known as the Gaza Nation. So that style of music there are the modern style of dancehall music. And anybody when I get with that style, dancehall music will move past them. Simple fact. But you have to also have the drive and the talent. Now for these artists, sit, watch the teacher, copy and feel like that would be enough. Maybe to get your notice. But what about a career? What you are bring to the table for have a career? Everybody who brings something to the table has a career. The ones them now have none, obviously them now bring nothing to the table. And if you now write your own music, you now put out no spectacular music, then you now bring nothing to the table. Nothing artistic, nothing creative, nothing innovative. You know them there, Salam? Vice to the one called Jayden Chase. Talk to me in the comment section. Let me know how you feel. The most talked about intro right now. The amount of song up on the fixed tape, and people still talk about the intro. Talk to me in the comment section, viewers and subscribers. Talk to me in the comment section. It took me 24/7. It never lack yet. But it's the one called Jayden Chase. for those who are wondering. And if you're new to the channel, new to the movement, just a pass through. But you like the reason, of course, you like the point of view. Well, I'm suggesting to you, if you click the subscribe icon, yeah man, see the right there, so click the bell icon and put it on all. And this is how you know you'll be notified of all fresh content as soon as fresh content is uploaded and made available for you right there upon the platform. The like icon there too. Drop a like on the blog from a like for your ear. Share icon is also in close proximity. Tell a friend, tell them sister and them brother them. But check out the channel. Check out the reasoning, and of course, as I said, join the discussion because the comment section is open. Yeah, man, the comment section is always open. Most talk about intro. It will be right now no longer calling these musical projects mixtapes. No, other fixed tapes. It will be, yeah, them tape fix things towards the album so people can get ready, know what you are offer, know the style of music, and know say, yeah, it blend well. So the international crowd right now looking out for your album project from Popcaan by simply releasing this fixed tape. Some people know the business aspect of the music. Our move settings fam, until the reason again. You know the sentiments. First and foremost, we need no ladder. And you know the sentiments for you and yours that want to live, love and prosper. Until the reason again.